Kdka, go burn.
Getting to the right diagnosis meant being more open with my doctor about the severity of my symptoms and how often they were happening.
But there's good news. EPI is manageable, so don't wait any longer. Use the symptom checker at identifyepi.com to schedule a visit or call with your doctor to ask, could I have EPI?
Brought to you by AbbVie.
For the latest news, sports, and weather information,
It's after
under one
this.
roof, go to kdkaradio.com, presented by NASCO Roofing, 412-373-2000. The following is a test of the EAS.
We're gonna turn that down.
This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
I heard it immediately and I was just like... I literally heard those headers and I was just like... I'm not gonna turn these off until it's over. But anyway, that's the test.